Hello, I'm Miss Shay from the Dallas Public Library, and today I would like to help you make your first STEM homemade scented Play-Doh. So first we will need 3/4 cups of flour. You'll need 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, 1 Kool-Aid package of any color, and you'll also need 1/4 cup of salt. And make sure you get your water. So once you gather those 3 materials, go ahead and place it in a bowl. And we're going to mix it together. And you'll also get your flavored package. Open it. And once you pour that in there, go ahead and stir it until your mixture has completely dissolved. Once your mixture is completely dissolved together, go ahead and place it in your base of dough. And we'll go ahead and stir this and make sure all the mixture in the dough is dissolved. And if you like a darker color of any mixture or package, then make sure you get food coloring as well. Now my substance is starting to form into Play-Doh. However, it's a little hard to stir. You can add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil if you like to loosen the dough up if you like. But it's not mandatory, only optional. So now that I have my Play-Doh forming, we'll set this aside for at least 5 minutes. And so once this has sat for 5 minutes, you're going to put the Play-Doh on a kneading board of flour so you can roll it. What we're going to do is go ahead and roll our Play-Doh into it to get the stickiness out. And once you get the stickiness out, you have your perfect Play-Doh in the desired color you choose. Now remember, each recipe that I just gave you is only made for 1 pack of flavored water. 1 pack of flavored Kool-Aid mix. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you have enough fun to make Play-Doh during this quarantine.